Out of Myanmar's capital city, Naypyidaw will be redrawn after the devastating earthquake last month, the country's military ruler has said. During a government meeting, Senior General Min Aung said that the buildings which collapsed during the earthquake were so badly affected because they were built on the soft soil. Also, office building will be rebuilt and must be restrained to the future earthquake, he also said. While the testing of the soils are conducted before the rebuilding is done. The BBC has seen evidence indicating about 70% of the government building were damaged by the earthquake in the capital, and some offices have been reportedly been moved to Yangon. Also, Myanmar was devastated by a huge earthquake which was hit and the country that was 7.7 magnitude of quake and was so strong that it was felt in Thailand and the southwest China as well. According to the state media, over 3,500 people were killed and 5,012 were injured in Myanmar as a result of the quake. The city of the Naypyidaw covers at least 4 times the area of London, but with only a fraction of people. Its history is short. It has only existed since 2005, raised out of the flatland by the then military rulers of the Myanmar, which was previously known as Burma. The name the Naypyidaw, that means seat of the king. The seasons and the reason why of the moving of the capital was 370 km inland from the largest city, that is Yangon, has never been earlier clear. Also, the city bears all the hallmark of the planned capital. The roads leading from the parliament to the presidential place also is 20 lanes wide but carries hardly any traffic. Shiny shopping malls and empty luxury hotels line the boulevards. Also, there's a safari park, a zoo, and at least 3 stadiums. Since 2021, Myanmar has been plagued by the civil war between the junta, which seized power in the military coup, and ethnic militias and the resistance forces across the country. A 20-day ceasefire was declared by the military council on the 2nd of April following the announcement of a pause in the hostilities by an alliance made up of the 3 rebel groups. The ceasefire were announced to help relief efforts, but the military has reportedly continued to attack the rebel-held areas. Also, the military council's photo archivers also showed that several government buildings, including the Ministry of Labor, Ministry of Planning, and the Court of the Union, were severely damaged in the earthquake. Most of the buildings are still in ruins as repair work on them has not yet